Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Glitch Sip channel. I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to teach you how we are going to be able to have Jenny mode inside Minecraft Bedrock. For this, what we are going to need in this case, first of all, is that as such, Jenny mode does not exist. If we go to what is the Settings section, we are going to be able to observe that in my case, I do not have what is Jenny mode. I have another mod called Jenny Colette version, which is the one that currently works, because this one here of Jenny mode really does not work for absolutely anything other than wasting time. So the one that I just showed you and that you can search for with the same name will be able to work for you, so you can use it without any inconvenience. And these are the mods that we are going to have available, which are these here. But I'm going to make a small cut to show them with censorship. As you can see, in this case, these are the characters. I'm going to show them a little bit with censorship. And, well, in order to interact with them, in this case, this would be Eli, we are going to need a potion, which I am also not going to say the name of, but it is this one here. You already imagine how it ends what the name of that potion is. So, we are going to have to use it this way. We give it to her, and, well, you are going to be able to have what is the interaction. That would be with respect to Eli. In the case of this other character called Via, with her, we are going to be able to... And, well, that would be all for this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Glitch Sip, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. See you in the next one.